Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you the topic of notice writing. This notice writing. So let me take a So a notice is a piece of information written or printed. It conveys that something has already happened or is about to happen. नोटिस जो होता है वो एक पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन होता है, उसमें कई सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है एक नोटिस में, चाहे वो रिटर्न हो, हैंडमेड हो या फिर वो प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में हमारे पास आया हो. इट कन्वेज दैट समथिंग हैज़ ऑलरेडी हैपेंड और इज़ अबाउट टू हैपन. नोटिस हमें क्या बताते हैं? कोई ऐसी चीज़ या तो जो पहले ही हो चुकी है या फिर कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आने वाले फ्यूचर में हो. A notice is usually an advance information about. एक नोटिस एक एडवांस इंफॉर्मेशन होती है किसके बारे में? कोई हैपनिंग के बारे में, जैसे कुछ होने वाला है फ्यूचर में, कोई फंक्शन हो रहा है या कुछ ऐसा. कोई प्रोग्राम के बारे में, एज यूजुअल अ फंक्शन, अ नोटिस फॉर लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड. Yes, there is also a notice in which we can write that something has I'm giving you example that there is a student, एक बच्चा है, उसकी बोतल प्लेग्राउंड में खो गई, तो वो एक नोटिस लिख सकता है कि मेरी बॉटल खो गई है. या फिर किसी को प्लेग्राउंड में कोई बॉटल मिली है तो वो भी एक नोटिस लिख सकता है दैट अ बॉटल फाउंड इन दिस. एंड इनऑर्गेनाइजेशन मतलब किसी चीज़ का नया मुहूर्त हुआ है, इन द सेंस दैट अभी वो नया ओपन हुआ है, ओपनिंग हुई है उसकी, तो उसके इनऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हो सकता है. आप पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट, आपको कोई पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट करने तो वो उसमें भी हो सकता है. A well-written notice shows a student's skill of organization and presentation of matter as well as language accuracy. It means that if a student write a proper notice, a well-written notice, so it shows its organization and presentation of matter. वो कितनी अच्छी तरीके से अपने मैटर को प्रेजेंट करे, अपने मैटर को ऑर्गेनाइज करे, और साथ साथ ही उसकी लैंग्वेज एक्यूरेसी भी दिखाती है. मतलब उसकी लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के में मतलब उसकी कितनी लैंग्वेज प्रॉपर है, अच्छी है. देन आई एम गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड एंड हियर इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ नोटिस राइटिंग. सो फर्स्ट मेन थिंग इज अ box. So a box need to be constructed before anything, as there is marks for this box. Then the other thing is notice. Notice need to be written in any case. The name of institution must be given in your question. और एग्ज़ाम्पल, जैसे आपके पास क्वेश्चन है कोई भी और इसमें आपको नहीं दिया गया है कुछ भी कि ये कहाँ का है, स्कूल का है, कॉलेज का है, कहाँ का है, तो आप जिस भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में अभी आप करेंटली हैं तो आप वहाँ का लिख सकते हैं. जैसे मान लीजिए आप किसी स्कूल में हैं तो आप उस स्कूल का नेम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. देन द डेट, ऑन द डेट इन विच यू आर करेंटली, टुडेज डेट यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस कॉलम. देन हेडिंग, example that your school is organizing a book fair, so you have to write here book fair in heading. Then the body of notice, you have to write the content here. Then you have to write date, on which date it will happen. Then time, at what time it will start, and venue where it will be organized. There is a common line in all the notice. For further details, contact the undersigned, and undersigned is this one. The name which will come here is undersigned. Sign section is optional. If you are in a school, so you need not to sign, and if you are in a higher I can say that college or in any higher studies you are doing, so you can either sign here. Then your name comes here, and at first what post you are, you have to write that. Now I'm going to share a format with you, example or a sample with you that how to write a notice. Here is a notice. So firstly, let me tell you our question. You are Sundhi Paridarshini, Cultural Secretary of Dhyanand School. So here it is already given that we have to imagine ourselves as Sunidhi Paridarshini, and you have to imagine yourself as Cultural Secretary of Dhyanand School. You are Cultural Secretary of Dhyanand School. So if name is given, or if already name is given here and designation is also given here, so you need not to write your name. But if nothing is given here, you can mention your name instead. Then school name is already given. So later it is given your school is organizing a radio show that a notice foreseen. So it is said that a school is organizing a radio show. So we have gotten a lot of information from here. As I have said, notice need to be written. Then the name of institution, Dhyanand School, it was already given here. Then we have to write date. You can write today's date. You have to write all this today's date. Then our heading. As the example I have taken, they have made it like audience for radio show. They have turned this to the audience for radio show, means that they have showed that they want audience for radio show. They want people who can work in their radio show. But you can also write this notice in any other form also. So you can also write in that. Then there's a common line. Our school will be presenting the popular. Our school will be representing. This line must be same in all the notice. Or in the place of school, you can write any institution, that college or anything else. Then the popular radio show. Radio show, it was already given, so we have written radio show. We are the future. So they have also awarded a name here. We are the future. Interested students willing to conjure up originally items on the theme grade system in schools. So you can turn this body according to yourself. Anything you want, anything you want to add in this, you can add. Can appear for auditions by the famous radio presenter Ankita Jhaveri. So if you don't know any name, so you need not to write this. You can also write only till here. Our school will be representing the popular radio show We Are the Future. Interested students willing to conjure up original times on the theme. If you want to write theme, you can write theme. Can appear for auditions. You can also write till here. Then the date comes. You can also write this date instead of here in this body. But if you want, so you can also write it here. Then the time, at what time it will start. Then venue, school auditorium. If you want to write any other place, you can also write in school playground and anywhere. Then the common line. For further details, contact the undersigned. And the undersigned is Sunidhi Paridarshini, which was already given here. And she was cultural secretary, so we have also written cultural secretary. So in this way, you can make your notice a perfect and a nice notice. Hope you liked it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want more videos on any other topic, so you can comment me in the comment section. Till then, my next video will approach. Goodbye, see you soon.